amphetamines. Crack cocaine, heroin, PCP, but they clean up nice and they gon' be free. What once was a bill ain't stuck in the mud. We're a city on the rise, bringing in new blood. Pacific Rim riding in high tide, bringing in new business on a Mobile slide. Welcome to my city, stop it. 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 DJ Caution, 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 caution. You just listened to DJ Caution's 209 Boom Boom. You're in the mix with DJ Caution on Feature Octave Radio.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Stockton 209? It's your boy here, DJ Caution on Feature Octave Radio. Got a couple of shout outs I'd like to say. What's up to Lola? I don't know if you guys remember Lola from the Lola show in the 80s and 90s. We're working on some stuff here, trying to get the Lola show here on Future Octave Radio. I'm about to play a couple more mixes. This next mix is it's a guest mix I did for my boy. I always like some house music. This is a DJ Caution guest mix on Future Octave Radio.
You're in the mix with DJ Caution on Feature Octave Radio. Caution on Feature Octave Radio.
What's up to my Latinos out there? How's my Latinos in Stockton, California doing? What's up to all my cultures out there? Blacks, my whites, my yellows, my greens. Yo, man, the struggle's real, but we're gonna get through it.
music in a weird way. Back then, you would have to be a nerd to become a DJ. Nowadays, everybody wants to be a DJ.